Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to this echo chamber of room. It's the 9th of March today and the sun is shining outside, there is no snow whatsoever, so today I am taking the premiere tour with a bike for the first time this season. And it's not only the premiere tour with a bike, it's also the premiere tour with a new GPS. Recently just bought a new Garmin XT2, so let's try it out and take a ride outside. It's like a cow on green grass, green beet. I don't know the English word for it, but in Swedish we say som en ko på grönbete. So first of all, thank you for watching the series 2. I hope you have had the opportunity to watch it all because there's a lot of good content in there. Alright, so let's go to Brottby. Okay, so we are on the road to Sättra. I also changed the theme on the GPS. I didn't like the original Garmin one. Yeah, that's much better. The previous one was just too unclear, I think, and it's a lot better with the 3D navigation. You can see things a bit better, I think. So here's the golf course. Alright, so here are the winding roads beginning. I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but this time of year, this early, should really watch out for spots with gravel and also ice. Maybe not on this stretch because this is a little bit bigger one, but once we get into the small roads, it's a lot of shadows from the trees, and I don't know if they are sweeping off these roads because there are. I have been here earlier years to do the premiere tour, and there is very rarely gravel left on the road, and as you can see here, it seems like it's all cleared up. So I don't know. It's also always a little bit sketchy this early. It's a fun road. There's no gravel. It's a residential area. Have to take it a little bit easier. Sättra or Sättra. No, we're going here. We can take that one on the road back. They have to sweep this road because there are no gravel whatsoever. Just want to
take it a little bit easy anyway, because it's Sunday and it's a nice day. You never know if there are people out walking. It used to be people out walking on these kind of roads on the countryside, walking with the children, with animals, dogs. So you never know what you can expect out of the next turn. Yeah, I'm an old man. But it's important to think of that. So I guess I'm lucky I go this way, because it seems to be a lot more traffic on the opposite direction. In the opposite direction. Yeah, it feels kind of strange to start talking English again, because, you know, as I'm living in Sweden, so I'm not talking English every day, but and it's been a while, but I've been living with this video editing, and heard myself talking English all the time, and of course I watch movies and TV and everything in the English language, so it's kind of quite natural for me, but I think I'm a little bit more used to it. It feels like it goes a little bit more fluently now than it used to be. And here are some people. And there was some gravel as well. I was a bit taken by surprise there. But of course there's going to be motorcyclists out today. It's a nice day, and it's a pretty okay temperature to be in March, and there is said that it's going to be colder tomorrow and a couple of weeks onwards, so I guess this is a little foretaste of the spring. It's the winter is not yet over completely. I don't know if I went the wrong way now, but I think it's here. Yeah, GPS says. I think there is a kind of like some sort of a nature preserve here. No, this is not it. No, what am I thinking? It's on the way to Vadstena. Yeah, it's not this road. Anyway, there is a really nice nature preserve area in that on that road. It looks like kind of like burnt trees sticking up in the water. So are we going through? It smells like it smells exhaust I think there's a straight up there. Yes. So we're gonna take him here. I'm not used to this acceleration. It's going pretty fast. It's been a while. I think the last ride I did last year was in could it be November? As late as November, so it's not that long, but it's a couple of months. And it feels like yesterday anyway, but it's still some moves are not that familiar. And I think here we are coming to a really nice little place. Hi. The horse didn't know that it was coming. It thought that, what the heck, this already. So here is a little bit more gravel. See, I think there's always gravel on this stretch from this village, or what do you call it? I guess this is going to be a very, very long video and a very long, very large file. I don't know how much space I have left on this SD card, because I got several videos still on it, but I think it's not that long until we reach the bigger road. I think this is the last kind of turns before we hit the road to Åkersberga. Or am I wrong? I don't know. Might be longer than I remember. Yeah, I guess it is. Yeah, okay, this is the 90-degree turn. I really hope that most of the motorcyclists that are going this way are thinking about not speeding when they are passing like residential areas, because this is a really nice road to have access to right outside of Stockholm. So if there is many people that are speeding, they could start putting speed bumps everywhere, maybe even shut it off for motorcycle traffic, and just so that the residents have access to it. That would be really, really bad. So you should respect the signs and the areas where people are living. I guess it's not that long till we hit the bigger road. It's still no gravel. He was riding in a much easier pace than I do. So look who's talking. Are we here? Yeah. We're here. So that was really nice. A great first premiere ride of the season. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stick around on the channel and please subscribe down below, leave a comment, and join me in the next video. I'll see you on to the next.